Mwandiki mũkaru rũhonge-inĩ rwa TVET Esther Thara, ũrĩa warĩtie hĩndĩ ĩrĩa araneanaga certificate ya gũkindĩra ikĩro cia thukuru wa kothi cia moko wa Meru, augĩte kũhĩmbĩria kothi cia moko nĩ njĩra ĩmwe ya kũhũrana na wagi wa mawĩra bũrũri-inĩ, kũrĩa agathĩrĩirie thukuru ĩno nĩ gũkinyanĩria ikĩro.
The Meru National Polytechnic now becomes a certificate awarding institution. They are going to, of course, train. They are going to assess practically the skills that they will be teaching the students. They are going to assess or examine, if you like, and they are going to award the certificate.
As National Polytechnic, the way giving a certificate, it has been a rigorous journey because there's been a lot that they have been expected to meet. We really had to check the kind of the curriculum that we're saying that we are registering in the framework, because this means that we are making this curriculum visible and the qualifications and the certificates that are going to emerge from it visible by anyone, anywhere in this world.
Augĩte rĩrĩ thirikari ĩrĩ na mĩto ya kwarahũra iganda gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ, arĩa marĩ na kothi cia ũturi wa moko nĩ mekũgunĩka makĩria.
And that means that if anyone has, for instance, an artisan or a certificate in gypsum installation, they can actually get either a job within or outside the country at a level where they can really negotiate for the competence that they have actually demonstrated, because it means it meets the requirements of the industry.
Gũkindĩrĩka gwa ikĩro cia thukuru ũyũ wa Meru nĩ gũkũhotithia kũheana mathomo maratambũrĩka na marĩ na ikĩro cia kĩmabũrũri.
This is very important for us as a state department, because under the control of Kenya National Qualifications Authority, this speaks volumes, because it means that now we are awarding, or we are going to award this through this institution, certificates that we are absolutely sure that the students have gone through practical training, practical assessment before they are awarded.
Arutwo arĩa marĩ gĩcigo-inĩ gĩkĩ na kũngĩ kũrĩa kũrĩ hakuhĩ na thukuru ĩno nĩ marathingatwo moke mamathe ũgĩ na ũmenyo.
We are saying that this is what the industry needs, and this is what we want to equip our students with, so that when they go out there, they are really able to practice it. You know, it is equipping them with those practical skills that are required. And so as KNQA, we are ready to register many more others. We want to make this visible. We want to say that we are producing individuals who are really able to do what they are expected to do.
Thukuru ingĩ cia kothi cia moko iria irĩ kĩgera-inĩ nĩguo ikindĩrwo nĩ hamwe na thukuru wa Kisii, ũrĩa wa Nyeri na ingĩ. Ngĩribotera Inooro TV, Getu Wangari Maria wa Mũigana.